Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Honor Philippines, for inviting us tonight. It is with great excitement that we officially announce the continued strong and solid partnership between GMA Network and Honor Philippines. This collaboration reflects our shared commitment to innovation, excellence, and reaching out to the Filipino people in bold and meaningful ways. We're especially grateful to Honor for their support as co-presenter of Sparkle's Campus Cuties, a platform that continues to discover and celebrate the next generation of stars and influencers. Their involvement truly elevated the experience for both participants and audiences.
Last year, we proudly partnered with Honor for the GMA Gala 2024, where the spotlight was on the impressive Honor 200. And now, we're thrilled to highlight the new Honor 400 5G, another testament to Honor's cutting-edge technology and style that perfectly complements the glamour of the GMA Gala. Looking ahead, the GMA Gala 2025 promises to be our biggest yet as we celebrate GMA's 75th anniversary. Expect a grander, more spectacular event with wider coverage and unforgettable moments, all made even more exciting with Honor by our side once again. Thank you, and we look forward to an inspiring journey ahead with Honor Philippines. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Anen and Ms. Joy, for